Hello viewers, I am Dr. Chaudhary S.G. from Department of Microbiology, Venkatesh Mahajan Senior College, Usmanabad. I am shortly releasing video series on subject metabolism. Actually, I am releasing this video series for my UG student, but I am sure that this video helpful for all life science student gaining basic knowledge. For my BSc third year student, it is the point from unit first of their paper number 60. The point to be covered during this video are enzyme introduction, definition, important characters and structure of the enzyme. Now, introduction of the enzyme. There is no life without enzyme, and all the life processes are involving reactions, and these reactions are either synthesizing reaction, that is anabolism, or breakdown reaction, that is catabolism. The enzyme speed up the rate of reactions. These enzymes are also termed as biological catalyst because these are produced within the cell. Louis Pasteur for first time termed it as ferment, and this is the event of discovery of enzyme zymase, which is present in yeast and catalyze the reaction of conversion of sugar into alcohol and carbon dioxide. F.W. Kuhne later on named this ferment as enzyme. The meaning of enzyme is in yeast. Now let us see the definition of enzyme. Enzymes can be simply defined as a biological catalyst elaborated by living cell which accelerate the rate of reaction and remain as it is or without changing themselves. I repeat again, enzymes are biological catalysts elaborated by living cell which accelerate the rate of reaction and remain as it is after completing the reaction. Basically, all enzymes are protein or protein combined with other chemical group. The non-protein part of the enzyme is termed as coenzyme. The protein part of the enzyme is termed as apoenzyme, and apoenzyme and coenzyme together forms complete enzyme. So, apoenzyme plus coenzymes forms holoenzyme. Important characteristic of enzyme. All enzymes are protein except ribozymes. These ribozymes are catalytic RNA. It is an organic catalyst. Enzyme is an organic catalyst that increases the rate of cellular reaction. It has unique characteristic shape, specificity and function. Enzyme provides a reaction site for substrate, and as it is a protein in nature, its activity can be affected by pH as well as temperature. They cannot pass through semi-permeable membrane, and the activity of enzyme can be regulated by feedback inhibition or at genetic level. Now see the structure of enzyme. We all know that enzymes are protein in nature, and being protein in nature, these are the polymers of amino acid. So, simple polypeptide chain forms a primary structure of enzyme, while the complex polypeptide with interchain bonds and folds forms secondary and tertiary structure, while the more complex nature of the enzyme is quaternary structure, which consists of several peptides bound by weak interaction. Hope that all of you understand the points covered during this video.